Whether you're just starting with programming or are already a pro, you've probably heard of Python. But why exactly has this language taken the tech world by storm? Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language. In simple terms, it's a language that's designed to be easy to read and write, almost like reading everyday English. Because of its simplicity, Python is a favorite among developers for a wide range of applications. It's used in everything from web development to machine learning, artificial intelligence, and even connecting complex systems together. So, why Python? Well, it has a ton of features that make it an ideal choice for rapid application development. For one, Python is a high-level language, meaning it's easier to understand than low-level languages like C or C++. It's also interpreted, which means you can test and debug your code much faster without needing a compiler. Plus, Python's syntax is clean and straightforward, so even if you're a beginner, you can pick it up pretty quickly. Python's real power lies in its massive collection of open-source libraries. These libraries offer solutions for almost anything you can imagine, from web development with Django to machine learning with TensorFlow, and the best part, these libraries are free. Being open source means that you have access to all of these tools, which can drastically cut down your development time. Python is also a productivity booster. You can write less code compared to other languages like Java or C++, yet achieve the same outcome. The lack of a compiler means developers can test their code quickly, and if there's an error, Python doesn't crash the whole system. Instead, it throws an exception, making it easier to troubleshoot. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced developer, Python is an excellent language to add to your toolkit. It's used by tech giants like Google, Facebook, and NASA, and its influence continues to grow in industries like artificial intelligence, data science, and automation. So, if you're looking for a language that's easy to learn, versatile, and powerful, Python is the way to go. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tech insights.